Found some tea in the house. Figured I'd give it a shot. Some raspberry pomegranate, or yeah, that pomegranate raspberry tea. It's all red and stuff. Ooh, let's try it. Oh, I gotta pee. Ooh-wee. All right. My last video you guys seen, I had the SUV in here, and I was doing some, or trying to do some fixing on it, because winter's here now. It's crappy and it's lightly snowing. So last night I was really freaking bored in here, and I had this big stack off of a service rig. And I tried polishing it, and well, it turned out all right. But then I got really bored. How cool would it be to put a 6-inch stack on the Corvette? Now you're probably thinking, how the hell are you gonna do that? I'll show you, but you can't laugh. You can't laugh at me. This is a work of art, okay? And when I said I polished it, I just polished like one part. The rest is all shitty. But you can't laugh at that. That's some serious engineering, you know, or whatever you want to call it. It's pretty solid. Like it's not coming off there. Let's see what she sounds like. Probably sounds pretty good. Hear that? Woo! Woo! That's fucking great. It's massive. I'll rev it up a little bit and see what it sounds like. Oh, it almost fell off. Let's just pull it off. Now, could you imagine that stack, this stack here, could you imagine that stack on this dirt bike? Would that be sweet? That might be the next project. It'll be sweet. Or my Sea-Doo here, obviously it's straight piped. Like, everything I have has got to be loud. Like, this good old, oh yeah, right up the back there. She's straight piped. Do you know what this is? I made this myself. Can anyone guess what this is? That's, definitely not a shower drain. But it could be, you know, whatever. It works. It works good. I even got the little, metal piece somewhere. The grill. But I didn't put it on because then it does look like a shower drain. What do I think is stack? Stack on here. Hey, coming right up the back. Woo! That'd be pretty sick. Maybe we'll try it. Maybe. Oh, yes! Oh, what's up, guys? I hope you guys liked today's video. Obviously I'm not going to drive around with a 6-inch stack on the back of my car. It's just for a joke. It's all fun and games. Fuck! Fuck, I keep fucking this up. I really suck at talking to a goddamn camera. In my first video, I showed you guys my SUV and the stereo that's in there. And the inside of the box really looked like crap. And so since then, I've actually completely redone the whole inside of the box, and it actually looks way better than I thought it would. And so made a video about that and putting all that together, so that'll be one of the future videos coming up. Also, 2 videos in, I just hit 11 subscribers. I just want to thank you guys. That's awesome. Never even thought I thought I'd get 11 views. No, we got 52 views, 11 subscribers. So yeah, subscribe if you haven't. Smash that like button. Yeah, let's make some more videos. See you guys later. Have a good night.